Want to pull data from any website automatically? Today, I'll show you how to scrape data like a pro in 2026. Web scraping is simply the process of using automation to extract structured information from the web. But first, ethics. Always check a site's robots.txt file and respect their terms of service before you start. The basic workflow is simple. You first inspect the website's structure to identify where the data you need is stored. Then, you use tools like DataCrops or modern AI-powered web scraping software to grab that data automatically. Finally, you export your findings into a format like CSV or JSON for your own analysis or projects. And that's the basics. Ready to unlock the power of web data? Discover how data extraction software can transform your business. With DataCrops, you can collect latest market data, monitor competitor pricing, and unlock powerful business insights. If you want to turn web data into a competitive advantage, visit datacrops.com, link in description, and request a demo today.